Hey YouTube, this is 24 the Beast 24 here with Airsoft. What's it called? Overview of my gear that I use. Right now for my main weapon, I'm using the AGM L96 AWP sniper rifle, 9 pounds. It's pretty loud, but yeah, it's a really strong rifle. It's around 500 FPS. And for my pistol or my secondary, I'm using my WG AIRSOFT CO2 non-blowback 1911 pistol. See there? Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's heavy. I just got these today, and this one you didn't need to put anything onto except you had to put in the clip. That's all that you needed to do. You didn't have to do anything to it. This one came with a barrel separate from the body, and by the way, the barrel, the trigger, the bolt, this thing right here, well, the barrel, sling mounts, bipod mounts, trigger, bolt is all metal. This part right here, that's chrome. Yeah, the rest is plastic, which is basically the body and the rail guards. But I haven't bought a scope for it yet, or a bipod. And I know people, so I got this for $80. And the website I got it off of was airsoftgi.com, and it's a pretty high quality rifle. Same thing with this pistol. I got them at the same time. This one is metal slide, hammer, trigger, this part right here, the back of the handle, the clip, yeah, those are all metal. Even though the slide does slide back, it's not a blowback, which sucks. But it is semi-auto. So, oh, and the safety on this. There is a slide safety on this and a regular safety. But don't pull the trigger while it's on the safety, because it will mess it up. Yeah. I have to go to Sport Chalet and get myself some, what's it called? CO2 cartridges. This takes CO2, not green gas. Yeah, this is my loadout. I am selling this one. I'm selling this, TSD, pistol, it's TSD, I gotta look it up again, but I'm gonna have it on my account. This non-blowback, full plastic, but it's heavy. It's around 2 pounds for a pistol. That's really good. It's all black except the orange tip. It's pretty loud when you click it, and you put the CO2 in there, in the handle. So yeah, alright, 24 the Beast 24 here. Please subscribe and rate and comment. Nothing bad though.